Alright guys, welcome back. I am actually here with Caden right now, as you can tell by his mommy bracelet. That's what I like to call it. Anyway, we are using Slimer, which was a gift to Caden from Gypsy Sirens. You can put it in the water, even though he doesn't want to.
It's one of the cool ones. Does he float? No.
Yeah, I made him that bracelet, and what did I tell you?
It's a friendship bracelet.
Yeah, that way if he gets sad or anything upset while he's at school, he can just fiddle with that and think of mommy. So, since you don't really know who this is, apparently, I need to do better educating you.
Who is it?
It's Slimer, and he is from the Ghostbusters. So I guess I should put that on my Halloween list of movies that Raven asked me to make. Oh, something we need to watch for you, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What movie did you watch today?
The new Jurassic World.
Was it good?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
When Blue took out the weird raptor that they made.
The raptors are my favorite part of Jurassic anything.
You haven't watched it, so you don't know.
I know, I haven't watched several of them, but I'm just telling you, I really like the raptors. They're fast and they're smart, and they stalk their prey.
Why does it look like pee? What color is that?
You know, down there it's pretty yellow. But I'm recording, so you don't need to say things like that. Have some manners. You don't like it? I think it looks interesting.
Her lips are melting off.
You Slimer a girl?
Mm-hmm. I watched it. Just float it.
No, not all bath bombs float.
I float. I know how to swim.
Well, that's good. Looks like a toxic pile, doesn't it?
Of pink. Whoops. Where did he go? About the rest of it's soap.
So were you happy she sent that to you?
Yeah.
Nice gift. Does he smell good? Oh my gosh, you got it on your nose. You want me to get that for you? Well, did he smell good?
Yeah. Hey, it's blue now.
We just gave Caden a haircut, so he wants to get in the tub. He's all itchy. Well, do you have anything to say to our subscribers?
Subscribe.
Okay. How about thank you for watching?
Oh, it feels dead.
Alright, we'll mix it up so we can see what color all of the water is going to be.
Green and yellow. I need the yellow. What's yellow and green make?
It's still green.
Lighter
Like,
green?
like lime green. Like Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew's good.
Unless you buy the cherry kind, apparently.
Yeah, it's too foamy.
I just don't know what that means. How can pop be too foamy? It's carbonated, but you think it has too many bubbles?
Yeah.
Hmm.
It didn't have as many.
Well, I don't like flat pop, so I think it's an okay deal. I haven't tried one yet, though. But yeah, we did buy some cherry Dr. Nope, cherry Mountain Dew today. Alright, well, I'm going to get out of here so the kid can take his bath. This is what we got going. And he's going to enjoy it now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Say thank you for the bath bombs up.
Thank you for the bath bomb, though. But
Goodbye, guys.